The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Okay, here's a question. Do you think you could pull DNA out of a strawberry and see it with your own eyes? That's right, I said DNA, the stuff in your cells. You can actually see that, and scientists do it all the time. Today, we're going to show you how to pull that DNA out using stuff you probably already have at home. It's Strawberry DNA Revealed. All living things have DNA. Your cells, your dog, strawberries, everything. But strawberries are great for this kind of demo because each strawberry cell has multiple copies of the genome, so there's more DNA in each cell to see. When we break the cells open and use some clever chemistry, the DNA will clump together and become slimy, stringy stuff. To get started, get together 3 strawberries, rubbing alcohol that you've chilled in a freezer, salt, water, dishwashing liquid, a resealable plastic bag, a small glass jar, a tall drinking glass, a funnel, cheesecloth, a bamboo skewer or toothpick, measuring spoons, and cup. The first thing you'll do is mix your extraction liquid. To do this, combine a half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Stir gently and set it aside. This stuff will help break open the strawberry cells. Now, prep the strawberries. Remove the green stems and put the strawberries in a resealable plastic bag. Push out excess air and seal it tight. Squeeze and mash them for about 2 minutes. You want them really well crushed. After they are mashed, pour 3 tablespoons of your extraction liquid into the bag with the strawberries. Remove extra air and reseal. Gently squeeze the mixture for another minute. The detergent helps to break open cell membranes. And the salt helps DNA molecules clump together so they are easy to pull out. After about a minute of squeezing, set a funnel lined with cheesecloth over a tall glass. Pour your strawberry and extraction mixture into the funnel slowly. Let the liquid drip through, leaving behind a pulp. When the dripping is done, pour the filtered liquid into a small jar. Fill it about 1/4 of the way full. Tilt the jar and very slowly pour the cold rubbing alcohol down the side, so it forms a layer above the strawberry liquid. Now this is important. Don't mix the two. DNA is not soluble in alcohol, so when alcohol is added, DNA precipitates and comes out of the solution and shows up as stringy, gooey stuff between the layers. Dip a bamboo skewer or toothpick where the 2 layers meet and gently twist it. You should see DNA wrap around it like we said. The detergent breaks open cell membranes and nuclear membranes, releasing DNA into the solution. The salt helps neutralize the charge on DNA molecules so they stick together. The filter step removes cell debris, so you're left with mostly liquid containing DNA. And cold alcohol causes DNA to clump and become visible out of the solution. Even though a single DNA strand is microscopic, because there's so much from all the cells combined, you can see it by doing this. And there you have it. Strawberry DNA you can see with your own eyes. Experiment with it. Try different fruits, change detergent strength, or even skip the salt. What gives you the most DNA? Want more fun DIY science you can try at home? Check the QR or go to go.osu.edu/themoreyougrow to find experiments or connect with your local extension office.
The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.